I'm out here this morning with the hiking club. It's me and Chewy, and we're gonna hike some little trails here at Heise Park near Julian. Let's check it out.
Dead blood in the streets, it's up to my ankles. Sheet blood in the streets, it's up to my knee. Sheet blood in the streets, the town of Chicago. Sheet blood on the rise, it's following me. She's about to break again. She came in and she drove away. Sunlight in her hair. She blood in the streets on the river of sadness. She blood in the streets, it's up to my thigh. Yeah, the river runs right down the legs of the city. No women are crying when rivers are weeping. She came in town and then she drove away. Sunlight in her hair. Indians scattered on dawn's highway bleeding. Ghosts crowd the young child's fragile eggshell mind. Blood in the streets in the town of New Haven. Blood stains the roofs and the palm trees of Venice. Blood in my love in the terrible summer. Bloody red sun of fantastic LA. Blood screens the brain and chop off the fingers. Blood will be born in the birth of a nation. Blood is the rose of mysterious union. Dead blood in the streets, it's up to my ankles. Blood in the streets, it's up to my knee. Blood in the streets, the town of Chicago. Blood on the rise is following me.
Y'all turkeys better move along now. See here, Thanksgiving's right around the corner.
Hiking is suffering. Yep.